You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model S long range refresh with 39,000 miles that comes loaded up, ABS traction stability control, alloy wheels. It is a refresh, so it's got the Yoke steering wheel, red exterior, black premium leather interior. VIN numbers right here. AMD Ryzen Processor for MCU, panoramic roof. The steering wheel is actually, there's a little tear right here, but Tesla's coming in on Monday to replace this. It's going to have the updated one, all done under warranty. So next time you see it, it'll be a brand new updated steering wheel. Inside, 39,752 for mileage, base autopilot, upgradable full self-driving, CCS ready, heat pump, adaptive suspension, AMD Ryzen, heated seats, ventilated seats, steering wheel, heated wipers, biohazard defense, updated charging pads. Nice, super clean vehicle. Rear vents, rear television as well. So anybody who's driving can watch while you drive. Just a nice clean car, absolutely no stories. Still under full Tesla warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.